Alright, good morning. We are watching the SPY again. I identified my pre-market trend here, and we're just gonna go ahead and see what happens. Might even have another barrier for uh, something like that, you know. But we'll just leave that for now. Uh, I'm just gonna have this one. That one looks to be like it's gonna work pretty nice. And I'll even do this one. That one also looks good. So for a breakout, we can see it go above this trend line and this trend line here, and we'll call that a breakout. Otherwise, we will wait for a setup. And with the morning time, you might not get as much opening and closing above the trend line, and or below the trend line and confirmation. You won't get much confirmation in the morning time. You kind of got to trust your instinct and just place the trade, which I don't necessarily like doing just because it's so volatile. I'd rather just wait. Like, why not just wait until the trade looks good and you're able to get confirmation. You can wait all day. You have until we got how many hours? You know, 7 hours. The 7 hours of market open time. Pre-market and after hours, that's a different story. But you got 7 hours to wait if you're trading in the actual market time. So might as well wait and find a setup. You know, and I've been doing pretty successful with that rather than just jumping in trades. Blindly. It's been pretty successful. Still waiting on calls. That's just why I got these trend lines here. It's looking like calls for me. Just looking for any kinds of patterns right now. I mean, I can kind of see one right there forming. Yeah. I mean, that one's really more like it there. But in the case that it's not, we've got this, which is looking to be more channel like. to pop down here. It's sort of rejecting. I want to see it on my tick chart here. I want to see it consistently holding. Yeah, so real rejection over here. I want to see it come down though and hold if it's going to break out above here. I want to see it come down and, kind of hold around this area. Maybe make a double bottom. So it's getting close here. I might grab some calls. Make my stop loss 361 maybe. And we'll take profits 365, yeah. That's apps. If it hits 365, I am taking it for sure. Do 1 hour max time risk, and we'll go B size in it. So now I'm just really waiting on the tick chart. We did that double bottom like I was saying. Now I'm really waiting to see if it breaks this pattern. I see a pattern here. I want to see it break some kind of pattern, and I will place the trade. Should get a strong bounce here. Yeah, that's a strong bounce. Yeah, there's some kind of pattern break. I think I'm gonna grab it here. Let's bring it out to September 30th. I'm gonna take some different calls here. There we go. Okay. Think I'm in. Let's see if I got in. Should have. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I'm in. Let me do the chart. One. And then we'll look to take half of our position as we get close to this top here. Yeah, so it really nailed that entry on the tick chart. The tick chart really showed me that pattern break, so I said, okay, I'll grab it there. Nice. And I will sell one there. And I will either buy or sell this last one, depending on what it does. If it comes down a bunch, then I'll reload on it. I still haven't gotten filled on that sell, though. It should be getting close. It didn't get filled yet. It would have been nice to have gotten filled. Then I could kind of see if we can reload a share here, like right there. But that's okay. We didn't get filled. And I'm just watching the tick chart right now to see what it does at these levels. I think we're getting close to getting filled on that first sell. There we go. We just got filled on one. Let's see if we can get it to push all the way up to that trend line, and I'll sell that other one. There we go. We're getting close. If it starts to make a new high, I'll just take it. And I'll sell it at the ask if I see it starts to make a new high there. But if we're holding and it's kind of slowing down, I might mark it out. Okay, here we go to the new high. There we go. And I'm going to sell it there. Cool, I got filled. All right, so Already at half my daily goal. I could definitely keep trading right now. Um, and look for a lot of setups. You know, keep trying to find setups right now, short term setups. But I'm thinking I'm gonna wait for another setup later. Um, I mean, there's right now we're like ranging, right? So here's my thinking, and see if you can follow me on this. I don't know how good of a play I'm gonna get right now. Either we break out to the upside, and in a little while, you know, I think we need to extend out a little bit, or we shoot downwards, and we have to find a new setup either way. Um, I feel like if we break to the upside, it's not gonna hold too long, so I'm sketchy about it. I feel like downside is going to be a more versatile play with setups. But I don't want to be biased here. You know, we're just gonna wait for setups. So, anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and stop the video, and we'll make this part one, and then we'll upload another one as we get another setup. All right, peace out.